Hello everybody, my name is Stone, and today we have quite a few things sitting in front of us. So I think I am absolutely not sure which one I want to start with. So we'll use this guy as a stand for now, and he will be the last one we get. So I already know what this one is. So this one is not a surprise. Which I guess none of them are. I did buy this. I know what everything is, but this one is labeled on the outside. And this is coolant for my motorcycle. So, the reason I have so much is because I am doing a complete radiator drain and fill. So that is done. No, I just realized that I showed my address. Whoopsies. So in this one we have quite a few exciting little things here. We have a KN303 oil filter for my motorcycle. We have a fancy little thing here called an Insta360 Ace Pro 2. And I don't have any band wrenches, so we got ourselves an oil filter band wrench set, as well as that guy and these guys. And whatever the fuck these things are. Oh, used for hand lapping valves. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Two more boxes, including the one you were sitting on. Oh, I know what the last one is now that I have all these open. Okay, so I have nice little micro SD. My Magpul gloves. I needed some hoses and what are these called? Funnels. There's a little screen protector for that dang old feller. And a motorcycle cover. I am not sure the quality of this. This looks whatever. As long as it keeps out rain. I don't care if it's good. I didn't pay a whole lot for it, so whatever. All right. Here we are at the final boss. The final boss. No, I'll cut open the top. Ow, fuck. What the hell was that? What the hell cut me on my knife that wasn't the blade? What in the fuck? Ow. That hurt like a motherfucker. I grabbed the handle weird, I guess. See, sorry that this is such a boring unboxing, but I prefer, whoa, let's not show my address. I prefer safety over proper unboxing video format. See, I cut away from myself. I was a Boy Scout. I know knife safety, and it bothers me heavily when people don't. Oh, no, you get to see my watermelon ring pop that's been sitting here forever. And no. Alright, and here is my decent helmet. It is only DOT certified, which is slightly concerning, like me accidentally showing my address multiple times throughout this video. Alright. LS2. Whoa. 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 What? EC 22.06. So wait, am I wrong? I'm Confucian. What the hell is this? Pin lock. Shut up, Pinhead. Alright, and then we have this big old bag. Oh. Ooh! Yo, that's actually the craziest thing. Oh, too bad there's no drink pouch. See, this would be perfect if you gave me a drink pouch. See, because God, we'll come over here. This motherfucker has a drink pouch. He's only a one strap. He's very small, but he has a drink pouch. See, that's the sign of a good bag is drink pouch. I know this is like just for my helmet, but drink pouch. Holy fucking what? It has a separate bag within the bag? Oh. God, I've never unboxed a helmet before. What fun, what fun. Come open, you big bastard. Oh no, do I gotta untie this boy? Boy Scout, I know knots. Oh no, it's double knotted. Stand by. Okay, maybe, oh, hello. That works, I guess. Me when drop camera. I'm such a professional. Dude, I meant to do that. So now you get this angle of me. Weird angle of me. I'm not a big fan of this angle. Why? Why are you fighting me, my friend? Why are you fighting me? Oh, come loose. Let me see your butthole. I mean... No, that's what I meant. Fucking gosh darn, man. Untie the goddamn freaking dang old man. Freaking dang man. Brother, what the fuck? Oh, thank you. My God. Oh my God. Wow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my God, is it still not loose enough? How? I got that motherfucking cardo on me. I got that motherfucking cardo. Okay, so the fuck? Ooh, that's got that good peely. Okay, let's just... I've already tried one of these on before, but just to ensure that I am not an idiot. Whoa, that's how that works? Holy shit. Okay. Oh man, I may be an idiot, actually. Huh, that might be slightly too tight. Yeah, that's really tight, holy shit. Oh wow. I tried one on. Interesting. I've tried one of these on before, but this one is tighter than that one was. And that is a tad concerning based on the fact that I don't want it to be too large, but an extra large on my head is slightly too large, so what the fuck? Anyway, that's all I wanted to show off. I might have to return this thing. This kind of sucks. Please like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.